5 minutes left. Two minutes left, guys. On those plates, please. That is it.
Neil has cooked pan-fried duck with pepperonata and asparagus, followed by rhubarb and amaretto tart and creme anglaise.
Your duck is cooked really well. I like the combination of those peppers with the duck. Generally, yeah, I quite like it.
Some nice cooking, a very, very nice flavour and texture combination.
Let's move on to your tart. The first issue, your custard.
Yes.
I'm not going to eat your custard.
Don't blame you.
The rhubarb should be cooked more. And although the rhubarb is lovely and sharp, we don't have anything sweet to contrast it. But instead, we've got this quite bitter amaretto biscuit. It's not a combination I like at all, I'm sorry to say.
I like the sharpness in the rhubarb and then the amaretto. It's not bad, but it hasn't worked. That's the problem.
No.
Anna is pinning her hopes of a quarter-final place on two British classics. Roast pork with stuffing, crackling, apple puree and cider gravy, followed by sticky toffee pudding with pecan toffee sauce and cream.
Your pork is cooked to perfection. There is real nice seasoning and sage coming through from your stuffing. Absolutely lovely. The apple sauce and the cider vinegar together is making it slightly acidic.
Beautifully cooked, well-seasoned, soft fillet of pork, sitting on top of a wonderfully flavoured sage stuffing. I like that a lot. I just applaud you. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Let's bring in the pudding. This is a thing of rare beauty. That's great. That is just wonderful. It is rich with toffee flavour. It's about as perfect as a sticky pudding gets.
Thank you.
It's lovely.
Sweetness and spice and soft sponge and sugar and caramel. Oh, yeah, it's very, very good indeed.
Are you feeling confident now?
I'm feeling happy. Today was just phenomenal. It really was. I was like absolutely loving it. It was electric.
For his two courses, Scottish cook Ian has made homemade fettuccine with a lemon and white wine sauce, smoked salmon and caviar, followed by venison with sour cherry sauce, dauphinoise potatoes and asparagus.
I applaud you for coming on here and making your own pasta. I think it's a very, very brave thing to do. I like the combination of the lemon, the salmon and the pasta. Yeah, it's good.
Thank you.
I do like the little bursts of fishy sauciness that the caviar gives. I like the smokiness of the salmon with it. I think that is the makings of a very, very good dish.
Thank you.
Your main course. I like the idea of the rich venison with the cheesy, creamy potatoes. I like the idea of the cherries and the venison together. The idea of the cheese and the cream and the cherries and the venison as one. It's a bit unforgiving on your palate.
Okay.
I think you have great flavours in that sharp but sweet cherry sauce with that beautifully cooked meat, which is just rich and soft. I think it's lovely.